being thoughtful, and they're saying, oh, Brian Morgan, you need to rest. You've been working. Come on, my nigga, you think I was joking about the vacation I talked about in Bahamas? If you don't want me to work, send me some money. Send me some money. But you see that vacation? Nah. It's going hard. My nigga, I already made the reservation. So don't... See you in Bahamas style.
The way people are coming for Brad Morgan, I beg, country don't had already, please. This person said, nobody said that, walk your walk. Like, these housemates need to breathe, even if not begging, even if not begging, the person they beg, he need donor help. This person said begging strategy. Fans go sponsor his vacation. You supposed to say na stylish, if it happen, he no mind though, that's what he meant. But then again, please, we should just be kind with our words, please. People are passing through a lot, coming out of that house. People are expecting you to do even better, drive car, do this, do that. This person said guys cashing cruise, and you all are crying. And this person said, who be this one? They have to maintain their status quo, the pressure, the societal pressure. I remember in BB Africa or Africa, whatever thing they are doing in South Africa, most times they live their normal life. Like, they don't really try to, do this and do that. This person said, where are his fans? So I make una contribute as usual. This person said, you don't start again, oh bros. And this person said, stylishly looking for shippers to sponsor you, or go work. Sometimes when I read comment like this, I'll just be like, God, have mercy. These people are really trying to chest all these things out. This one said, waiting this boy fans give him when he come out. Bright, they worry. People are, there's one thing about going in as a housemate, and another thing about coming out and then staying long, like Ebuko, Chendo, Bisola, Miracle, Toby, name them. Elozonam, Diana Rosette, Dorothy, name them. They are there. Do you get? So, but guys, what do you actually think? Is he abusing this guy? Is it even the best? Let me know. I even forget to mention Erika, Beauty, Mercy, Tasha, name them. Ilebaye. What? They are many. But it's not everybody that is that lucky. Do you get? But I want to know what you think about Brian Morgan. So let's talk about, Thelma and the people dragging her knuckles. So she responded to a Snapchat that said, me, when they work remotely, you can't use that line to come at me, auntie. You have knuckles, and all these stories doesn't negate that fact. Stop trying to be a bitter bad bitch because it doesn't fit your masculine body frame. Jesus. People can talk, oh. And she responded, further proof why it's best to block people. A lot of people are living sad lives, and as always, misery loves company. Why would you talk to your fellow woman like this? Like, hi, God. People, well, just like I said earlier, this country is hard. Don't make it more harder for people. I'm telling you, this person told her, thank you. Those room 404 people hate you like mad, always insulting you when you called it the diamond of the season. In their mind, you're shading Mide. And she responded, I don't shade my friends. That means she's friends with Mide. I don't know why people always want to stylishly, put drags up for these people. I don't know. I don't really understand. This person says, so why are they on your snap? People are funny. Then she said, like, I never get it. And this is one thing I give myself credit for. I don't pretend. Why would I follow you if I don't like you? I don't follow anybody I don't like on social media. And if you come up on my explore, I'd click the not interested button. My algorithm needs to understand what I don't want to see. Like how it understands what I want to see. So, and this Thelma is somebody that I noticed in the house that she's a blunt person. She doesn't hide her feelings. She says it as it is. And she actually said that exactly the way she said it on the stage, that she's not scared of saying the truth. So let's see what people have to say. This person said, no fake zone, I just love her. And this person said, I love how Thelma, Faith and Didi are returning the energy to burn throwaway throws. Well done, Thelma. Like, I can't believe how a fellow human being can wake up and decide to bash another person that you've not met for the first time. And this person said, "Na Thelma Fituna, I want a little weary." Only few of us knew Thelma was the best female housemate throughout the season. Very intelligent, very smart, very strong, very competitive. Emphasis on that competitive. And very outspoken. Bro, Thelma is the best. I give it to her. She's one of the housemates that are very competitive. She takes tasks very seriously in the house. I give credit to people. I don't really like saying things negative about people, but when I see people comment things like this, it baffles me. And then this person said, "I love her. This same Thelma I saw on live TV and her skin was giving." Or which Thelma she they talk about? More people, like you wish to ask. If you check the person that is saying this thing, you will be marveled at the outcome of the person saying this kind of thing. But guys, I also like to know what you think, because is it normal for people to throw people like this? And this person said, "Oh, her for her, I too like Thelma. Evidence that I don't understand. I don't stand nonsense. My intelligent Thelma, you can't rattle her. Every response was hit. I might not agree with everything Thelma does in terms of personality, but she's everything she thinks she is." Yeah, there's nobody without flaws. There's nobody without flaws, but you know, allow these housemates to breathe. When during reunion, make we see the gist we go give on her, because I don't know, steadily people tend to try to brew enmity between these housemates. Then this person said, "People actually get time, or people no get work, or God forbid. Now Thelma and Faith fit all of these equal case. They make them cry effortlessly." The only person I'm sure that she's not really in talking terms that I've captured right from the house is Isabella. They always have this back and forth. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that is the main thing that is about her and Isabella. They don't really talk. Then this person said, "I know those single mommy fans are so obsessed with Thelma. Like, what is not a crime to be beautiful, intelligent, confident, and smart? Like, what the hell with them? How about bleaching Mama Sultana? Like, let's don't reach Sultana. Isabella's fans are always bitter." So that means it's Isabella fans that are insulting her. How sure are you guys? Because now Isabella, now they don't put her off for drag now in comment section. How are you sure it's her that sent her fans? People just decide to, well, which dark knuckles? You get dark knuckles, abi you no get. The question is simple. In this social media, it is well. But guys, I would also like to know what you think. Do you think it is just like these people are bashing this housemate? Is it even wise? I feel like when the show is over, people should tend to move on. But if you keep doing like this, that's why we're here. We keep bringing up the gist. This person saying she's truly miserable, rubbish talk. This person said, "Na man, they do this thing." After Thelma blocked him, he went on Twitter to sell himself and he was proud. I checked his profile. He's an Emisi fan. They insulted him to dust. 7,800 views and not a single like, but comments and quotes. All in the name of stanship. And are you guys serious? All in this name of stanship you're dragging. But guys, I just want you guys to, tell me what you think after seeing this video. This bashing thing up and down and all this fan dragging each other, I don't find it fancy. I don't find it interesting at all. But I bring it to you to tell me your opinion, and see you guys in my next video.